Assalamualaikum dear student, this is Alizium Public School and College Lodra. We are presenting you the key to MCQs of second time paper to evaluate by yourself how many MCQs are correct one. So let us start the key. MCQ number 1 is he acquainted me apparently. Acquainted mean he let go of. D option is correct one. Acquainted, let go of. MCQ number 2, Occidental certainly launched the warm hug. Occidental means the European countries or the Western countries. So B option is correct one. MCQ number 3, absolute zero is about 484 degree of frost on the Fahrenheit scale. Underlined word is frost. The correct synonym is A minus, frost minus. MCQ number 4, other bacteria stopped short, inhibited by its antibacterial action. Underlined word is inhibited and the correct synonym is checked. D option is correct one. MCQ number 5, nor was Mustafa Kamal a lenient master. Underlined word is lenient and the correct option is A, soft. Lenient means soft. MCQ number 6, I gazed for 2 whole hours at this sad spectacle. Underlined word is spectacle and the correct answer is C option, view. Spectacle mean view. MCQ number 7, Meldrum succeeded, whether by succeeded mean he came after or he took the seat after, whether by. So correct option is B, followed. MCQ number 8 now. Chiefs logged at Western. Logged mean he stayed. C option is correct one. Logged mean stayed. MCQ number 9. Extra crops laid off in case anybody called. Underlined word is laid out. The correct option is A, ready. Laid out were made ready. Ready is the correct option. MCQ number 10 now. Collingwood climbed on the roof to get the ball out of gutter. Underlined word is gutter and the correct answer is deep. Drain pipes. Gutter, drain pipes. MCQ number 11. Don't hit dash the belt. You have to fill in the blank with the correct preposition and this is the idiom hit below the belt. So A option is correct one. Don't hit below the belt. Question number 12. MCQ number 12 of your paper. You should reconcile dash your fate. You have to fill up the blank space with the preposition. The correct preposition at this place is with. Option B is correct one. You should reconcile with your fate. MCQ number 13. The doctor treated him dash the malaria. You have to provide the preposition in the blank space. The doctor treated him for malaria. So C option is correct one. MCQ number 14. I rewarded him dash a candy. You have to provide a preposition at the blank space. So the correct answer at this place is A, with. I rewarded him with a candy. MCQ number 15. His dealings are dash the board. Again this is a idiom. His dealings are above board. C option is correct one. MCQ number 16. Would that I am a king. You have to choose the correct sentence out of the 4 given options. So the correct one is would that I were a king. B option is correct one. Would that I were a king. MCQ number 17. Cinderella was the oldest daughter. Again 4 sentences are given. You have to choose the correct one. The correct one is Cinderella was the eldest daughter. C option is correct one. MCQ number 18. If you listened, you would have understood. Again you have to choose the correct sentence. So the answer is correct sentence is if you listened, you would understand. MCQ number 19 now. He speaks the truth always. Choose the correct sentence. The correct sentence is he always speaks the truth. B option is correct one. And the last one now. MCQ number 20. One should do his duty. You have to choose the correct one. The one should do one's duty. So dear student, this is all about 20 MCQs and their solution of second group paper annual 2023 from Multan board. All the students can check their MCQs. How many MCQs are correct one? We from the platform of Alizium Public School and College wish you all the best for all your oncoming exams. Thank you very much.